This is Tom, the boss of Jcsportline. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for your continued support of Jcsportline in the past. In a difficult global environment in the exceptional 2021, Jcsportline has maintained steady sales growth, and Jcsportline 2022 investing more R&D to satisfy multi-level needs of our customers.
This is Sandy, the co-founder from Jcsportline. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Jcsportline will empower you in 2022 with a full standard management system to support you and mutual grow up together.
Hello everyone, this is one of the branch of Jcsportline Limited. Today I will lead to our colleagues and provide you our best wishes.